The final part of this presentation is a very brief introduction of the iSyncBrain-R group statistics from intervention effect and group difference with normative library, with health normative library. Basically, iSyncBrain-R group statistics divide as the intervention effect and group comparison. We can choose, in the intervention effect, we can choose individual pre-post, group pre-post for specific intervention, and active group pre-post comparison with placebo intervention effect, placebo intervention group. In the group comparison, we can apply 2-group analysis, 3-group ANOVA comparison analysis. We can apply, and also with the normative library, for making the control group on the cloud automatically. This is the pre-post analysis in the depression case for individual patient. This is very severe depression, basically bedridden for a long time. But after neuromodulation treatment, the patient, the slow wave is substantially decreased. And the frequency in this frequency, the red is pre-baseline and blue is post-intervention. The slow wave activity is dramatically decreased after the intervention. This is the pre-post comparison, very dramatic change. And also the alpha peak frequency in the back of the head is increased in this specific patient. This is the pre-post comparison in iSyncBrain-R. And this is the for the stroke case. In this case, we can find the delta activity, delta excess activity here in left frontotemporal area as a sign of an impaction. We can view the impaction area in the 3D interactive viewer, and we can localize the dipole information, the slow wave activity. For this kind of stroke patient, we can divide using the iSyncBrain normative library function, the left hemisphere stroke population compared with the normative library, age and sex matched, and right stroke patient population compared with the normative library. In the left stroke population shows the difference in the left brain, and the right stroke population shows the difference in, this is the p-value map, difference in the right hemisphere. This is the strong iSyncBrain normative library function. The researcher don't need to gather the control group anymore. They can automatically generate the healthy population on the iSyncBrain research functionality. This is another group comparison. This is the alcoholism group in red line, shows the excess in beta and gamma activity compared to the blue line. Blue line is control group automatically made in the iSyncBrain normative library. Usually alcohol group has a lot of beta and gamma activity in all over the area. We can easily find the alcoholism pattern. And this is the 3-group analysis. We can find the ANOVA table, and we can find this kind of 3-group analysis result in the group comparison. We can also see the group intervention effect. In this case, the cognitive training for the cognitive patient. After the cognitive training, the slow alpha, this is the alpha 1, slow alpha activity is decreased, especially in this post temporal area. This is the pre and this is the post, and we can find the temporal area is significantly changed after the cognitive intervention. All this kind of intervention effect, we can easily get the result from the iSyncBrain research functionality on the cloud platform. I'd like to finish the presentation. This is the demo, which include iSync wave recording to iSyncBrain and iSyncHeart quick report, and review full report on the web portal, and introduce the manual denoising process and strong group statistics function, including normative library. From the next meeting, I'd like to start review real disease cases, my cases and user cases together on the iSync QEEG precision mental health platform for the future telemental care. Thank you for your attention. I'd like to have a Q&A session. Thank you so much for your long time attention and joining this session.
Thank you, Dave. That was very, very excellent. How do we send cases to you? Or can we just pull them off the server yourself, or?
If you can share your cases, and we can on the meeting, and we can, or before the meeting, we can discuss together, or we can use this international user group meeting. I will invite I'd like to invite another expert user, iSyncBrain wave user in this meeting, and we can discuss together from now on, I think.
Yeah, my question was, how would we do that? Would we just do that online, or would I somehow send them to you?
I think we can share the screen together for the real cases in this. Yes, in this session.
Great. Terrific. I look forward to that.
I'd like to finish recording for the pre-discussion.
Oh, sorry.